Sure.
Okay, and okay, good morning in USA, Canada, good afternoon in England, Europe, Africa, good evening in Asia, India, Thailand, Malaysia, Singapore. I just came out from the Thai show to be here. I was with FII, but I had to be here. And good late evening in Australia. Ash ran up from Australia already online. He says, when is Simran ma'am coming in? Wow. It's a great Independence Day. Welcome to the weekly Saturday show, which turned to be Sunday show. You know why? Because of one and only the guest of honor I have with me for this global movement, which is taking place first time on Sunday since April 2020. My God, because I wanted Simran to be there, it is indeed my honor and proud privilege to welcome someone whom I admire as one of the great, profound anchor, profound actor, versatile, dynamic, young, full of zeal, full of enthusiasm, full of passion, full of wisdom, full of talent, and whatnot on this. I call her pride of India. I call her women of excellence. I call her women of substance to this global movement, hashtag women power, wherein we target to have 1 million women on this platform by 2024, irrespective of caste, creed, color, nationality, religion, 20 chapters in the world today, and passionately hand-folded pranams to Simran to be here.
A global namaste, and today is the Indian Independence Day. So all across the world, the 75th Independence Day. But I'm going to record everything that Mr. Bakshi said because it's so kind of you. I can really recall all the adjectives and they're running in my mind. And I feel completely overwhelmed to be here with you on this very special show. And I'm going to especially take this recording of your introduction and add it in my show reel, so I can see the power, the zeal, the energy, and the positivity in you. It is such a pleasure to be live here with you. And my sincere apologies for having from one S to other S, Saturday to Sunday. And thank you so much for allowing me to be on your show at first. It is absolutely my honor.
Simran, I am yet to introduce you. Now, the format would be, I will formally introduce you, then I will have questions. And in the meanwhile, you know, there will be people on Facebook already, YouTube, on the Global Talent Television and Zoom. And I want to tell you, I want to give a surprise. Even my friend Papni is joining from, Bangkok at the end. He is also on another show. But he said, no, Simran is there. I'm going to be there for some time. He will also be there. So, ladies and gentlemen, and it's too early in some parts of US because 4 o'clock India is too tough for, both East Coast as well as West Coast. And unfortunately, a lot of people are missing you on this program, but they wrote to me, I can forward messages. Why did you do it 4 o'clock? What you have to always at 5:30? I said, I cannot do it. Anyhow, so there are a lot of people who will miss you live, but after this YouTube is going to be all those families. We have huge global world families around. So ladies and gentlemen, let me take an honor of introducing a beautiful name called Simran Ahuja. She is not only beautiful, she's powerful, meaningful, super duper women power of par excellence. Lives in Mumbai. She studied natural, curate, doctorate in naturopathy and yogic science, as well as master's degree in finance. After completing her Bachelor's of Commerce at Jai Hind College, Mumbai, I would like to list down some of the significant work and talent she has exhibited, not only in Indian, but the global map. Directorate in naturopathy, and the wellness brand ambassador of Hazlani Nature's Nest, anchor at, I love that, IFA. I have been part of IFA 2008 myself with Amitabh Bachchan. He was with us for 15 days in Bangkok. That time he was the brand ambassador. And anchor at IFA Awards, anchor at Nykaa Femina Beauty Awards 2020, hosted the Filmfare Glamour and Stylish awards at the 65th Amazon Film Awards 2020, Vimal Elachi Filmfare Award 2021, anchored most prestigious Filmfare. You all love that. Amazon Filmfare again under 2020, TV show celebrity anchor with TV Asia USA, Oscar Academy Awards president, brand ambassador at Retro Gym, recipient of Golden Phoenix Award Malaysia 2015, MC at Legend with people like, Michael Douglas, Ronald Kingfisher, Salman Khan, Priyanka Chopra, Amir Khan, Madhuri Dixit. Oh, I love Madhuri Dixit. Yes, Chopra ji, Javed Akhtar, Akshay Kumar, Subhash Ghai, Shekhar Kapoor. Brand ambassador at 3rd Asian Literature Festival 2017. Former brand ambassador at Jury at India Festival USA. Former brand ambassador at cultural ambassador for Navaratri at Paris, Dubai, a cultural ambassador of folk dance. Oh my God, hosted the Filmfare Glamour Stylish Awards. Dada Sahab Phalke International Film Festival Awards 2018 as an anchor par excellence, they said. Everybody was talking about this. BRICS Award and cultural contribution to the world. Bharat Gaurav International Achievement Award at Bahrain and International Peace Award in Cambodia 2018. Red carpet at the 63rd Geo Film Awards with Reliance Digital. Lifestyle Awards, Asia's Most Trusted Companies Award at Thailand. I don't know which year. How did I miss you? Me and Pabdi are going to fight. After winning the title, Miss India 13, magnificent woman icon at New York, USA. She received Golden Phoenix Award 2015. Titled as Oval Queen at USFIA Singapore 2015, showcasing jewelry representing Asia at Los Angeles. Young Environmentalist Award 2014, Hawaii Award 2013. She has been widely invited as a jury member as well at Cultural Ambassador in Paris, Brand Ambassador in 3rd Asian Literature Festival. The only jury, 3 times I'm saying, from India, 2016 at India Festival. Not only this, she has done 16 consecutive Navaratri dance titles around the world. As a passionate dancer, shared experience with the world and penned down first book on the most vibrant and magnificent festival of India, titled as 9 Nights Navaratri. Wow. Unveiled by the Honorable Chief Minister of Gujarat, Srimati Patel. Live interview on the book by BBC at their studio in London. Interviewed at red carpet event in Mumbai, attended by top entire Bollywood personalities and politicians from government of Maharashtra. Her most recent award, which is StyleCon 2021, prestigious Punchy Image Awards 2021. Jesus, Simran, are you, I can't touch you. Are you here? Are you with us? How can I touch you?
That's really so kind of you. I have no idea where did you
I don't believe.
I am myself inquisitive. Where did you get all this from? Trust me, that's so kind of you. Yeah, but the recent award was at the Governor House last week by the Honorable Governor of Maharashtra, Shri Koshyari sir, Shri Bhagat Singh Koshyari sir, at the Raj Bhavan last week by Sandeep sir and the Honorable Governor. And yeah, it's been very, very awesome. And thank you for the lovely intro. Just to mention, my debut Bollywood movie was Zindagi Tumse, and my second movie is on shoot. And my 3 of my music albums released on T-Series, Tips, and Shemaru. Dance Like a Goddess.
I had the detail also, but how much I can talk about you?
No. This is just recent. So maybe I thought this was important because Navratri is just around the corner, and I was just live yesterday and day before from Fazlani, and yesterday I couldn't come, so I wanted to apologize because I was hosting the beauty pageant awards of Blissful Miss India, where we had all the legends, Anup Jalota sir, Sir Dr. Priti Jangyani ji. And that is the reason I requested you if we could postpone it for today, because I had 3 shows, morning in Lonavala and then after that here. But thank you so much. Yeah, so music videos are very, very close to my heart. And 2 of them releasing next week, one on the 22nd, the 27th as well. And that is the reason I said, let me also connect to the music videos. But thank you. I had forgotten all that you spoke. And I wonder, where did you get so much depth and in detail from? And thank you. I think I still have to come across someone who is, as amazing as you are to do my introduction. So I'm going to use this everywhere to introduce myself. It is such an honor. Thank you so much. It truly means a lot.
Simran, in fact, we are so thankful to you, and Anshul is there and Niti is also going to be joining. In December 2020, when we were inaugurating the first session of Women Power in Mumbai, and these 2 Women Power ladies got you on the show. And that was the show when it was in between we had to leave, because Arun Bakshi, my friend, was waiting for you. And you had to go to the Arun Bakshi. And the stage
start
was
lighting
set.
up the lamp, because the time was already 10 minutes past.
I know. And at that point of time, I remember you committed. You said, Mr. Bakshi, I am going to come to your show. And then I could catch you on the Thai show with Papani, and then we really made it possible. Simran, let me start with questions. Number 1, you are so well-known star. We admire you, we respect you, and we salute you for what you do. You've done so much, whether in the country or globally. Having said that, when I see you, I would like to know about your quick childhood story. How did you go and grow and grow to this level? And especially I have heard about, your mentors and your mom especially, who supported you a lot and who instilled those values in you, which you are today strongly known in the world. Quick overview of your small child of Simran Ahuja becoming today a powerful brand in the world.
It's very different from what I am now, of course. To start with, yes, it was only about academics and studies. Sorry, I thought I'll wear some rings because, I just dropped in home 15 minutes back, but I think I'm fine. I'm fine being very simple. So it was all about, me being at home and only focusing on studies. And that was the only thing we did. We were never allowed to watch television because my parents still don't watch television, by the way, my mom or dad, both of them. Somehow they always felt that it's always about studies, because my mom never went to school in her life. So she always told us since childhood that you all have to be double graduates without fail, irrespective of whichever stream you select. And the only thing I want in the house is studies, nothing else. So I was not allowed to dance. I was not allowed to think about, I didn't know what an MC means. I didn't know what an MC meant at that time. I didn't know there was a word as MC. I didn't know what was a compare because I had absolutely no exposure. Stayed at the outskirts of Mumbai and, in a very small place. The whole entire world to me was my family, because we were 5 siblings and, a beautiful 1-bedroom house, but tons of love and screaming and enjoying and fighting. But the only thing mom taught us was that you should have love with one another, irrespective of whether you have all the other things or no, because it's always love. And this is what I learned in my childhood, and where we were forced to just study and nothing else, not even think. So I was a hockey player in school, and we had to go state level competition, and I had to travel by train. So my mom didn't allow me because she said, no, girl won't go alone. So I've never traveled to town where I studied from Jai Hind College, as you mentioned, unless and until I went for my admissions in the 11th grade. So so I didn't know to speak English, never spoke to a guy till my 9th grade in my life. I was so scared to speak to guys. Somehow, not just scared, but never came to me as something which is comfortable. But my life changed the moment I entered Jai Hind College, because that's the first time I went to town and I vomited because the travel was 2 hours by train. And I got so squeezed in the train, the Mumbai trains, that I'd never seen this. that the moment I got off at Churchgate Station, I vomited. I went with my dad for the admissions. Dad is from Jai Hind College, who studied till the first grade, 11th grade, and then he couldn't continue his studies. But yeah, so this is beautiful life of my childhood, which was just with my family, my entire world. So that was the
Okay.
beauty.
Great, Simran. So that means a simple, from a middle class family girl, wherein more thrust on education and nothing beyond that, and then finally getting into education. And now I want to go to your professional pursuits. I understand that from your, I mean, when was your first appearance? And I was told that you went along with your sister to a show where you got attracted to see MCs, which you did not know what this MC means. And you asked your sister, hey, what are those girls doing? It's the MC. And you saw a lot of Bollywood stars there. And you immediately got attracted to this MC. You said, oh, this sounds really good. And you asked your sister, can I also be an MC? Now, I want to know from that conversation with your sister about looking at MC, and you are thinking of becoming an MC, and today becoming an MC of par excellence in the world. Can you quickly knit this story of yours?
It just touched me so much deep. That was the first show I'd ever been to. My sister was, pursuing her, law, starting at the same time doing a postgrad, and she was with Mr. D.M. Harishji, the legend in taxation field, and she had to do the introduction for D.M. Harish, and that was her first time that she would ever speak on mic. And when I saw the MCs, I didn't even learn the MC word. I learned much later. But when I asked my sister, what are these two doing? There was a guy MC and a girl MC. She said, this is known as a compare. I said, I really like it, what they're doing. And, the entire audience is glued to it. But that is it. It was just a glimpse somewhere in my mind that, wow, this is so nice. And I'm just enjoying what they're doing. So more than the stars that we had, I was more attracted to, the MC bit and the compares, because the whole audience, the entire audience was glued to it. But I never wanted to be one. So I just wanted to know about it, that who are these, because I never thought I would be one of them. And, just like someone as innocent staring at them, not wanting to be one, but wanting to know more about this, and just liking the idea that everyone is listening to them and clapping. So what is this all about? So just from there, with my sister, of course, never encouraged me, because we were never into it. She said, oh, we don't belong to that arena at all. And nobody in my family initially approved of it, of everything that I was doing. And they found it very funny that I'm going out in the evenings and at nights just to do shows. And what kind is it? So it took them very, very long to accept what I was doing, because I was simultaneously satisfying them by also doing my education, pursuing my post-grad, at the same time studying, leaving my house at 4:45 in the morning, taking aerobic classes, attending my college. Weekends, I used to do my doctorate in naturopathy. So it was just on its own. Never knew that it's actually going to become my career. And then I was passing by at Jai Hind College once, All India Radio, which is just 2 minutes away, 3 minutes away. I was just all alone wearing a very high neck turtleneck. I'd love to wear turtlenecks. I'm just passing by and I just read their auditions. And I enter All India Radio and I became a radio jockey. And I have never heard music before that, okay, because my parents never allowed listening to music. I became an English radio jockey without proper knowledge of English, without any knowledge of music. I got chosen for the auditions, and the auditions were pretty tough. And I was one of the, first ones selected for the auditions, because they liked my impromptu conversation. And I was very bubbly, very kiddish. And that is, what they liked about me. Very impromptu with everything that they asked me, because the second round, first is a script round, where I'm a big fan of J-Lo, Jennifer Lopez, and I only knew her songs. So my entire script was only about J-Lo, and I made a special script only, talking about Jennifer Lopez, without even knowing much about the music, but so much I knew about her. And that is how, then, of course, the MC thing picked up, and I started getting offers because I was a radio jockey. And I was known as Beans on the hot seat on the radio. I was known as Deans there. So this is how it all started. But when I was with my sister and I did take a look at this, I was just in that moment of awe because I knew, I mean, I was like, wow. So that was more attraction for me than anything else there. So somehow that is a small glimpse, but never knew that I'm going to enter this arena.
Wow. Simran, that's fascinating. And looking at you and getting into this kind of a thing, which while you had no background, that means you would have done a lot of work and you must have gone through a lot of struggle. But tell me, it seems that for you, it became very easy because then you started anchoring from Nika to Filmfare to Dadawal, then BRICS, then international awards, then Geo Awards, then whatever you name it, you have done. Such a journey, which is probably gone back to back, back to back, back to back, back to back in a way that you did not even think how did it happen. Now that is what my question is. This brilliant journey of such a brilliant star coming to you and you taking it ahead, was it just happening? Was it a plan? Was something you said, no, now I am a radio jockey, now I need to do this, I need to get into this, or it just started happening? Can you quickly share about your this journey? How did it
Yeah,
happen?
I
So
can.
much to
It
do.
just started
So much to
happening.
do.
It just started happening. Yeah, that's right. Um, there are certain things about me. So just today, where I was in the morning, for the Independence Day celebration, the thought came to my mind that there was just some beautiful thought which came because someone asked me yesterday. We had the review of yesterday's last night show, which was at Radisson Blue. It was Blissful Miss India as well as the Blissful Awards, and the
Wow.
client up, to appreciate my work this morning. And I'm featured in today's paper
Oh,
for the
wow.
Mercedes-Benz Landmark Cars event, which I did 2 days back. And then I went to Fazlani at where I'm the brand ambassador at Lonavala, and I came
Yeah.
back last afternoon directly. So I came home today after 4 days span, back to back. I've been traveling. So it just the thought just came to me that how did it all happen? And somehow I realized that I used to always tell my mom. My mom used to always say that I'm the youngest in the family, so mom always said that you always have to be on your own feet. You have to work. And I've always told her that I don't like to work. I can't work. And till date, when people tell me, how do you manage, doing 4 live shows in a day? I'm in 2 countries in one day, morning, if I'm doing
Yeah.
in Dubai, evening, I have a show in Bombay. And by God's grace, it's been very good. And fortunately or unfortunately for my Filmfare Awards, every year it's been that I'm traveling from abroad. So I'm either coming from Bahrain or I'm coming and I have the Filmfare Award. I'm, just going to my designer, getting my outfit and going for Filmfare. Or I'm coming from Hyderabad, doing the launch for Indiewood Film Festival there, taking the afternoon flight. 4 o'clock, I'm landing at the venue, Taj. So somehow it's always happened that way by God's grace. So I tell everyone that I can't work. And this is what I used to tell my mom. My mom used to argue with me that till the time you're not on your feet, I'm not going to accept you. You have to be on your feet anyhow. So I knew this for a fact that I have to do something in life. But what was a question mark? Something which will not be work for me, but which will be my love. And this is what I even told the media 3 days back that, अरे आप मैडम उधर भी वो इवेंट में थी अभी इधर भी आप मिल गए सर ये तो आपका काम है मेरा काम नहीं है ये तो मेरी मोहब्बत है ये मेरा पहला
Wow.
प्यार सो जब जब प्यार होता है ना मोहब्बत होती है ना तो you don't realize sometimes at times because I always take early morning flights midnight flights because I have a new schedule the next day. So sometimes when I'm really like feeling, oh my God, I sleep in the aircraft, right? And after that, I'm like, oh God, do I really need to do this? Why couldn't like clients tell me you're coming all the way to Dubai, you're coming to Europe, you're coming to Paris, and you're not staying even 24 hours, because I went for concert in 3 shows. I said, no, because I have back-to-back schedules. So I said, do I need to do this? And I realized, but this is what I always wanted to do. So why not enjoy it and do it? And this is what keeps me going because this is not my work. It is my first love, not even love. I've been in love many times, but this is my first love. So yeah, there is absolutely no comparison at all. And that is how, I realized that, I am just having fun and loving every second of what I'm doing. And people wonder, without a script, how can you start and end a show and carry on with a show for 4 hours? So the only thing is, I have absolutely no idea how it happens. But because I feel it is now my baby, it is my show, I think it has to be, by God's grace, it has to be the best one. And this is all that I have in my mind. And, Bakshi sir, I want to mention this. This year for 2021, we had the Vimal Elaichi Filmfare Awards. So the main Filmfare Awards was premiering on Facebook, and we had it on the channel and then on Facebook. And I'm not the one to ever go, and check out anything. That day, I don't know what happened. I just switched on my mobile phone. So I'm not a laptop person. I'm just everything on my gadget mobile phones. I have 2 phones that I have. And it was premiering. And it was such a surprise for me, the entire 3-hour show. I have more than 25 minutes interviewing all the stars. So every time there's a break, usually you have the commercials, the television commercials. We have every break is me with the star. And the entire thing has been, without edit, has been covered by the prestigious Filmfare. And I was so overwhelmed, and I truly thank them so much. And the entire 36 minutes has more than 7 minutes of me, where we have Ritik's, Shri Amitabh's, Tapsi Panuje with me, and Bhushan Kumar's, the one for Thappad. So I think it's really been very special. And when I asked them that, how come, I'm getting so much coverage? They just said, because you're really so good and you are just a natural, that we don't have to come and tell you what to do. You just do things on your own. The same thing happened when I did the prestigious IFA Awards. I was initially called only on the 18th of September, the grand finale, to be a part of the prestigious green carpet through the IFA team. But when the moment they met me, they said, nothing doing, we want you on 16th, 17th, 18th, all 3 days. That was 16th of September, 2019. So 2020, the dates were 27, 28, 29th of March. And the last show was 14th of March. After that, we had a lockdown. So we didn't have the IFA last year. But the last IFA, that was IFA 20, I was a part of it. I said, no, I have a show with Miss Kangana Ranaut at Thailand. So that was also Thailand. And the show you asked was also 2019, by the way. The awards, the USA Awards, that was also 2019 by Hemant Kaushik sir. So I said, but I can't do this. My clients have complete faith in me. Most of them don't even have the skills because they know that Simran is there and it'll all be fine. They just have the name of the awardee, and Miss Kangana Ranaut is going to present the award. So I can't do this. They said, nothing doing. We want you for all 3 days. And this is how, I did IFA for all the 3 days. The same thing happened for the prestigious Filmfare. The day I had Filmfare, and because I was doing Filmfare Glamour and Style, the main Filmfare Awards, the 63rd, 64th, 65th, 66th Filmfare Award. The moment I would get a call from Filmfare, I would tell my clients that I can't come. So I had an award night at USA, Houston, with the lovely lady Shushmita Sen, ma'am. That was the 23rd, the date I remember. And I said, this is tough for me. I'm a big fan of Shushmita Sen. I've been very lucky to having met her, and she inspires me a lot. I'm a big fan of Priyanka Chopra ma'am as well. I've been very fortunate to having worked with them. But I said, what do I do? So I always, if it's Filmfare, then it's Filmfare. So 2019, I was in Cambodia, and I knew December 1st week is Filmfare Glamour and Style Awards. But my clients, I was going to, again, Malaysia and Cambodia, and my clients told me, even if you get Filmfare, you can't please back out because we need you for 10 days span. And it actually happened that we had Filmfare during that time, but I couldn't back out. So this is what, it's been like. I've also been a part of Filmfare Marathi, and again, missed it once because I was occupied somewhere else. But it's been really amazing to know that, I'm doing good work.
It is Jesus.
It
Ladies and gentlemen around the world, you're watching someone
I like to manage back to back. So
who's sharing her journey of excellence back to back, amazing journey of excellence, and who is most wanted, who is most privileged, honored, who is most respected. And in fact, now I have to tell Papani the next show when we have in Thailand, we will be getting you on the show, not only the Bollywood one, even the education excellence of Cambodia coming to my mind, World International Congress, in 2022, and I am committed to you that you will be the MC of that 500 teachers show, wherein hopefully we will get people like Obamas and Howards and Indra Nui's and all that. That's the plan in Cambodia, and that is the power of this women. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Simran Ahuja, the most respected master of ceremony. Now, Simran, let me go to my colleague Varsha. She wants to speak because she will be having her question in Hindi. Let's have Varsha question. Yeah, Varsha.
वर्षा जी, ग्लोबल नमस्ते, कैसी हैं आप? बहुत बहुत
Very
शुक्रिया
good,
फॉर
शीतल जी। सबसे पहले तो आपका एक बार धन्यवाद और स्वागत है आपका हमारे शो पे। आपने इतने बिजी शेड्यूल में से हमें टाइम दिया।
नहीं, मैं कभी बिजी नहीं होती हूँ वर्षा जी, मैं कभी भी बिजी नहीं होती हूँ।
नहीं, आप
बख्शी
अभी
सर,
अपना बता रहे बैक टू बैक
जवाब
आपके
दीजिए।
शोज चलता है। एनीवेज, आगे बढ़ते हैं। सिमरन जी, आपने 2013 में मिस इंडिया मैग्निफिसेंट वुमन आइकॉन अवार्ड यानी एक शानदार प्रतिष्ठित महिला का खिताब न्यूयॉर्क में हासिल किया। उसके बाद तो ये अवार्ड का सिलसिला जैसे रुका ही नहीं। 2013 में आपने पवई अचीवर्स अवार्ड, 2014 में यंग एनवायरनमेंटिस्ट अवार्ड का अवार्ड लिया और उसके बाद आप एमसी के रूप में 2014 में अग्रसर रहे। 2015 में गोल्ड फिनिक्स अवार्ड लिया, सिंगापुर में ओवल क्वीन का खिताब हासिल किया, यूएसएफआई के मंच पे आपने अंबर आभूषण का प्रदर्शन किया। उसके बाद आपने एशिया का भी प्रतिनिधित्व किया लॉस एंजल्स यूएसए में। ओह माय गॉड, कितना कुछ आपने किया। आप सच में एक अद्भुत महिला हैं। हम सभी आश्चर्य में हैं कि आप इतना सब कैसे कर पाए। आप इसके बारे में थोड़ा जरा हमें बताएं।
वर्षा जी, मुझे तो पता ही नहीं मैंने आप क्या दिला रहे हो, मैं सच कह रही हूँ, दिल से कह रही हूँ, बट वेरी वेरी काइंड, बट मैं सोचती नहीं हूँ वर्षा जी। जब मुझसे ये बहुत ही अहम क्वेश्चन है, स्पेशली ब्यूटी पेजेंट के लिए हमें प्रिपेयर होना पड़ता है, वेयर डू यू सी योरसेल्फ इयर्स फ्रॉम नाउ। आप जो भी करियर में जाते हैं ना, तो आपसे ये इंटरव्यू में होता है, और मैं मैनेजमेंट स्टूडेंट होकर आई सिक्योर्ड फर्स्ट ग्रेड मेरे फाइनेंस बैंकिंग में, तो सभी ये क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं, वेयर डू यू सी योरसेल्फ 5 years फ्रॉम नाउ। तो मुझे बहुत शर्म आता है, क्योंकि आई ऑलवेज प्रे कि मुझे ये क्वेश्चन कोई ना पूछे, क्योंकि मैं सोचती नहीं हूँ। एंड मैं बिल्कुल अलग हूँ देन व्हाट we are taught in the school of MBAs, that you have to have a vision. My only vision is to make people happy. My only vision is to enjoy and to be as good as I can, the best version of me every second of my life, and to have the right values से मैं आगे बढ़ूं, and there is nothing else in my mind. तो मैंने yesterday, कल रात को ब्यूटी पेजेंट में ज्यूरी ने ये क्वेश्चन पूछा था कंटेस्टेंट से, जो मेरा शो था, और मैंने कहा मैंने अभी भी नहीं सोचा है कि where do I see myself 5 years from now, अभी भी नहीं सोचती हूँ मैं। So I just accepted everything that came my way, and मैंने ये सीखा है कि जब आपको आपका पैशन मिलता है ना करने के लिए, तो आप उसमें तो ऑब्वियसली अपना 100% देंगे, क्योंकि यू आर पैशनेट अबाउट इट। लेकिन जब कोई काम आता है ना आपको, और आपका उसमें बिल्कुल दिलचस्पी नहीं है, पैशन नहीं है ना, अगर आप वो काम भी ये समझेंगे कि इट इज कम एज इट्स योर डेस्टिनी, और उसमें भी अगर आप उसी लगाव से और प्यार से काम करेंगे ना, आई थिंक योर लाइफ इज सॉर्टेड। आपको कभी भी ऐसे नहीं लगेगा दैट यू आर वर्किंग, यू विल ऑलवेज बी हैप्पी अबाउट एवरीथिंग यू आर डूइंग। सो आई थिंक वो जब से मैंने अपनाया है अपनी जिंदगी में, आई थिंक एवरीवन्स लाइफ विल चेंज, बिकॉज नॉट एवरीवन इज लकी to get to do what they love to do. I have also done things, where I've been as an entrepreneur, where I've been in the corporate world, because I used to do corporate job. I used to do my, my fitness in the mornings. Plus I used to do my events at night, reach home at 12. One dad used to come to pick me up after his work, so, and super say quarter to 5, I used to leave my house because I used to have the train at 5. It is just that, just take everything as a gift of God, because we're all alive is by His grace. And I think His grace, जब वो realize होता है ना, तो वो gratitude आ जाता है ना, then there is nothing, because nothing is in our hands. वो कहते हैं ना, वो beautiful Jen is also there, that करते हैं आप, नाम हमारा होता है. I think once you're into that realization, then you don't think about anything. So आज, thanks to Bakshi sir and you, that you have made me realize that अच्छा मैंने ये किया है. So I still remember when I won Honorable Governor ka award last week at the Raj Bhavan. That was my 55th 2021 ka award. Like in 2021, I won 55th award वो था. So it is just that, और मैंने numbers नहीं लिखे. Numbers मेरी जो team है, so they've been constantly counting. 2021 में तो हम लिखे हैं because I have no count of how many shows I've done. Nothing. I don't like penning down anything. So you know, जब मैंने I said really 55 awards हो गए 2021 के. But it is just, for me, it's not a realization. For me, it's a blessing of God. And when you take every second as a blessing, you accept it. And then there is no if, but, or what. So even when my corporate show, the only thing I used to argue with my parents when I did corporate show was that, Mom, you don't allow me, you don't like me going out at nights because of my work. But in the corporate world also, I have to travel, you know, with people out, you know, not every time by flights, but I have to travel out with them. And I have to just sit with them in the car and, you know, have a conversation with them. So I don't enjoy all that. So let me do what I like to do. As it is, I have to be with them, I have to travel with them, I have to stay with them. In fact, I have to stay with them throughout the day. But when I'm doing my work, I have to stay only by myself. I'm only with me. So the first trip that I went to Europe, you know, I traveled all alone. ये मुझे आज realize हुआ कि, you know, that, you know, I've always enjoyed all by myself, because that was, I won Queen of Sankalp title और मैं Europe trip जीती थी. That time in 2000, I couldn't afford going to Europe and traveling Europe on my own. So my next show is in Geneva on the 7th of September, where I'm flying next month. And, you know, so I was just getting that thought that every time I've been to Europe has always been for, you know, work. And I always feel so romantic all by myself. So I think मैं ये जरूर कहना चाहूंगी, जब आप जो भी करते हैं ना, if you really put your heart and soul into it, and you don't have to intentionally do it, make it a way of life, the values that your parents have given you, that your guru has given you. And you don't have to, you just have to be a free bird, just flying and enjoying everything that comes your way. I have lived my life like this, and I still don't know where will I be 2 years or 5 years or 10 years from now.
Great. That is fascinating. Ladies and gentlemen, what she is talking about. And in fact, Anshul is saying, you are mohabbat, love of your entire nation. Proud on you, Simran. We love you. And that's a fact, Simran. What I have believed and what I am doing now at this point of time, I call it romancing with your destiny. When you love something, then everything becomes easy. When you don't love a thing, then nothing is possible. Love is the essence of life. The moment you love your job, everything is easy. You may not be talented, you may not have a background, you may not have a knowledge, but when you love, you can pick up everything. Basically, competency is defined knowledge, skills, and attitude. Whether you have knowledge or skill, no problem. Attitude is very high. But in case you have no attitude and you have knowledge and skill, you will fail. So loving your job, whatever you want to do, ladies and gentlemen, is the message from Simran saying that I love my job, it becomes easy. When you don't love your job, when you don't love your things, it will never become easy. That becomes the disasters of the world. People fail because they don't love their job. People fail, they don't love what they are doing. And when you are doing it, मैं तो हमेशा ही कहता हूँ, एक हिंदी में बोलूँगा, वो कहते हैं where there is a will, there is a way. I say where there is a dil, there is a will. And where there is a will, there is a dil. जब किसी पे दिल नहीं है, दिल नहीं आएगी. जब will नहीं है, दिल नहीं है. Will और दिल जरूरी है कोई भी काम करने के लिए. Power of the world is only will and dil. इसमें जबरदस्ती नहीं है. अगर अपना दिल आएगा तभी आगे बढ़ेगा. अपना दिल नहीं आएगा तो पीछे रह जाएगा. और मिलेंगे साथी, आगे बढ़ता जाएगा. Let's go to the next question, Simran. When I look at you and your persona, and when we were just discussing about, in your shows, when you work with them as an MC, and then you worked with legends, Ronald Kenjal, Kai Gheni, Salman, Priyankas, Madhuris, and Rana, Kangana. I am again fan of Kangana. I have to get her on this show. Himesh Shemya's other side, Kumar Sanus, Rahman Saab, Roshan Rajesh Oshanji, Ghazal Mastros. Then other side with the cricketers like Yuvraj and Ravi Shastri. When I see the list, I see a huge list, and they're all, a lot of them we have invited to Thailand last 16, 17 years. I have been there. So, can you give us some beautiful memories, just one or two memories of some stars, which can be shared with the public who are watching you now or who are going to be watching you later? Some of, like Amitabh Bachchan sir, I have real good memories with Mr. Amitabh Bachchan when we were watching Sarkar Raj together in Bangkok. And earlier, when we were launching Parker Pen in the country, that time I was the chief of human resources with Parker Pens in India when we hired Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. So we have some memories which can never be forgotten. Can you give us just one or two memories of some of the stars? Like Himesh. Himesh Reshammiya is again a very strong guy. I know him since 1997 when I got him to Bangkok. And then I got him in Bangkok again in 2009. Or Sonu Nigam. Sonu Nigam is from my Sangam Kala group. And we got him in 2004 and then we got him again in 2012. So some of the stars, some memories, which you never forget, which is back of your mind. Just one or two.
Sure. Really, I've been very fortunate to have really hundreds of beautiful memories with every star, but I want to speak of two very, very amazing memories, and one is Imran Hashmi ji. Wow. And I remember I flew back from Paris at I landed in Bombay at 2:30. And all night we were like, doing our sessions. I was the cultural ambassador for Navratri there. Those were the Navratri days, and Navratri days are like, the best time. Again, I'm only into Navratri bit. And I had to come, and 6 o'clock was my show with all the stars, right from Madhuri ma'am to Sonakshi Sinha. So, my clients just mentioned to me that, look, everyone else is fine, Simran, you can handle all of them and they're very good in talking. But, we are not very sure about Imran Hashmi. Wo zyada baat nahi karta hai. I don't know how will you handle him. You might have trouble with him. Trouble in the sense that, to make him speak or to, make him comfortable, that it would be a great challenge for me. I said, yeah. And I was like, okay. And this was from 6 to 10, and then 11 o'clock I had my final competition of Garba at Sara Star. So from town I had to drive. So I had all those things in mind, my packing and I probably would have looked exhausted on my face because of the travel. So I was like really tense that Imran Hashmi, everyone else is fine, because I worked with, like, Tapsi Pannu ma'am was also supposed to come. So I had the list with me of all the stars. They said everything is fine, but Imran Hashmi. I said, yeah, it's my first time with him. So I was a little skeptical. The moment he came, and come on, Imran Hashmi's can't, Simran, you have to really do something, and make him be very comfortable on stage. I said, okay. And the moment he came, I said, yes, he's the personification of love, because his songs are all about love. And I invited him on stage with a very nice introduction. And the moment I said, the moment I spoke the last sentence and he came on stage, he took the mic from my hand and he gave it to the musicians. The musicians were in the background. So they were all playing live music. And, with like Himesh sir was also part of that show, Himesh sir. So when he came, he was singing live. And he gave the mic to them. And I said, so the song was Kaho Na Kaho for his entry, Kaho Na Kaho from Murder movie. And he just took my hands and he started dancing with me, the ballroom dance, And I'm like, oh my God. So I was wearing red color, long skirt and red color top. I'm like, oh my God, I'm telling him throughout. The music is on, everyone's phones are on, and they're all, glued, to us. And he's just going on jiving and blushing, because all I'm telling him, the only thing that comes to my mind is that I'm going to die in your arms tonight. I said, I can remember that song. Oh God, I'm going to die in your arms tonight. I'm telling him this, and he's like, ha, blushing, and he's dancing with me and making me jive, twirl. can't tell you that moment. My clients were, of course, very happy, but people were like, all like, wow. And I was like, this is unbelievable. Never expected this. And he spoke so well. So the entire chorus of Kaho Na Kaho, we danced and we actually
Wow.
jived. I mean, jive is
Wow.
all, 90% what, 10% is in our hands, but 90% is where they move you. And I couldn't believe this. So this was extremely special one moment. And he spoke so well and he went on blushing the way I was praising him. And, and genuinely, I had something very nice and touchy because Kunal Ganjawala's song Bhige Ho Tere has been my favorite always. So just day before night, yesterday at the karaoke at Fazlani Nature's Nest, I met one of my friend there. We sang Bhige Ho Tere on the karaoke day before yesterday.
Oh, wow.
So that is really very close. So when I told him that it was beautiful. And the second moment is with Miss Katrina Kaif, who I'm
Wow.
a super big fan of. And I think she's a goddess. And whenever she comes, I mean, I don't even blink my eyes. I love her so much. So there was this Johnson & Johnson international show at Goa at St. Regis. And that was very special again, because when I was flying for this show, I received a call from Endemol for participating in Big Boss. This
Oh.
was back 2019. And I was like, someone is kidding. Why would they want me? And I don't even know anyone at the Big Boss. So I said, no, are you sure you're from Endemol? So then he sent me his contact details. He's saying, please find out. And I said, you know what, I'm going for a show with Katrina Kaif ma'am, and which is at St. Regis, but now my brains are not working. So I'll talk to you from there. So I spoke to them from Goa for 1 hour span, where they explained me what I'm supposed to do. And, they were asking me what I could do in the Big Boss house. And I was like, wow, this is a very lucky day for me. So that's the 6th of April and the show was in October. I said, but October is my Navratri, so trying to sort out everything. Of course, I didn't go for it because of whatever reasons, but it was very special for me. And that same day I had show with Miss Katrina Kaif. The entire awards, it was the first time we had the Johnson & Johnson International launch happening in the room. So again, the clients were a little skeptical because of the team and because the huge crowd from all over, not just India, it's India and Europe, they had traveled. And it was only about 1,000 maximum men, so except for 3 or 4 ladies. So they were really wondering, how will we handle and Miss Katrina Kaif to present the awards to 10 people at one time, 20 people at one time, how would it be possible? And it's only me. So I was the only girl and Miss Katrina Kaif. And everything went off so well. It was just, by God's grace, everything went off well. I was there on stage for almost 2.5 hours, and Miss Katrina Kaif was with me for more than about an hour presenting the awards, the international, awards for Johnson & Johnson. It was also a grand unveiling and launch. And then after that, she took the mic in her hand. And this is the way I learned how to really be comfortable when you have men around you. So till then, I was a little discomfort that when you have only men, my mom used to say, "Acha nahi lagta hai, you have only men, both the sides, only men all around you." And I never knew how to handle that situation. So I made sure that I always tell men, come one side and come one side, and I always stand. But when I saw ma'am, she was so comfortable, confident in the center with everyone behind. I said, yeah, that's our work. So I should be very comfortable. This is one thing I learned about her. And it came as a very big surprise when she told everyone that she's doing such a phenomenal job. I think we all need to give her a loud round of applause, which is there in my show reel as well, because some people captured it on their phone. Of course, the clients had it too. But I think that came as a very big surprise because she spoke the entire 2 sentences that, sweetheart, you're talking, about being soulful and my hair, because that time her film was to release the next week. The film where she has curly hair. So she's saying, and my hair is exactly like you because I have natural curly hair. That day I had curly hair. And she's saying, my hair is exactly like you in the film. And you're doing such a phenomenal job. I think we all need to give her a loud round of applause. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, can we please give her a loud round of applause? And we had the CEOs and, the topmost dignitaries on the dais with Miss Katrina Kaif and everyone applauding for me. I think this was like, my moment, which I enjoyed because, I was there for almost 3.5, 4 hours doing the show. So I think, yeah, this is very, very special. And the recent moment was at the Governor House, you know, when Honorable Governor said to everyone at one of the shows, because, you know, we were doing back-to-back shows, and he said that पहले के ज़माने में, you know, पहले के ज़माने में लता मंगेशकर जी को बुलाते थे जहाँ पे भी सिंगर की जरूरत होती थी. आजकल कॉम्पेयर के रूम में सब सिमरन को ही बुलाते हैं ना, क्योंकि रोज मिलती है, सब जगह मिलती रहती है मुझे. एंड पहले मैं सुबह उठकर सिमरन करता था, लेकिन अब मैं सिमरन को याद करता हूँ. And the entire audience at the Raj Bhavan started laughing. This is a beautiful clip also I have it. It's very, very special the way they praise me. And Anup Jalota ji just yesterday said that we were together non-stop, Udit Narayan sir, me and Simran. And Simran ke bagair aajkal koi show hi nahi hota, because I'm traveling again day after tomorrow to Varanasi with Anup Jalota sir. So he knows the schedule. So it's been very, very special for everyone, and with stars, because Honorable Governor is, of course, one of the biggest stars that we have, and the, you know, pride of our country as well. So I said, yeah, if I'm talking of Bollywood, let me speak of our Honorable Governor as well.
Wow, great. We had recently Anup Jalota ji along with Pallavi Joshi, Lata ji and all that, along with Anupam Kher Saab, Ek Saath jo humne kiya tha abhi event. We got all the Bollywood stars, singers that day. It was a big show. Anup Jalota ji hamare Bangkok bhi aaye hue hain. In the meanwhile, I could see Papni is already there, because Papni is in another show. I know I'm going to get you for a few minutes there. Dilip Motu Saab is already, Vasanta from Sri Lanka is already there. And Muralidhar Saab, HR leader of the country, is there. And I can see Devinder Pool. Yes, we will get her to Bangkok. She says we will be privileged to have her in Bangkok. Yes, Devinder Pool.
Absolutely,
very close, darling friend of mine.
I just want to add to this. Mr. Bakshi, everyone, you know, really my privilege to be there. So it's not just for events. My 108 Surya Namaskars, along with chanting of 108 names of Sun God, you know, had 2.5 lakh people coming live with me on Facebook. So I've also doing jobs on fitness and on wellness, along with my MC bit. So now wherever I'm going across the world for international, at the international destinations, I'm also doing wellness, absolutely on the house, spread happiness and love all around, so that we have healthy atmosphere around us. Sorry, please go ahead. And it's my
Madhu Rana is hearing, because 5:30 we have under this Women Power a show of wellness. She is going to do 108 Surya Namaskar on the show. On this show, once this finished, Madhu Rana from Mumbai is going to be there. She's watching you right now.
Wow.
5:30. 5:30 she's there. Simran, looking at you, one side is all these stories of excellence, but finally you became one of the members of the jury. Now, this is special, you know. And as a member of jury, then you are, you know, whether it was cultural brand ambassador in Paris or brand ambassador in third, the US Great Literature Festival. Now that's a different experience. Now you are seeing with a different eye. You have been on the other side, and now, but you are now as a jury, and for that type of pageant, beauty pageants and dance competitions. How do you feel that? A quick one. What is the difference when you come as a jury? What is the
it's beautiful. It's really amazing. Because you know, the clients are extremely confused, and my lovely friends, most of them are, of course, now like family to me. So they're like, do we take you there or do we take you here? So they say, jury, we can have others, but we can't have anyone, you know, who's going to be hooked onto the audiences. But as a jury, I love it, especially at the United States. So by God's grace, I'm the only one with 18. I've played for 18 years, right from 2000 to 2018, and I won all 18 consecutive Ras Garba titles in India and America. And that is how I used to get, I have been doing my judging as well as playing my own competitions as well. So I've been judging everywhere, you know, where we have Miss Falguni Pathak, who's known as the Queen of judging their competitions, Preeti Pinky ma'am's competitions, where they have, you know, the clients call me there. So it's been very, very special and very amazing. It's because of the experience that I have that, and at the same time, I really believe in, you know, motivating them. So I also do a pre-session of motivating them, where I encourage them to be the best version. At the same time, tell them how to lead their lives in a happy way. And, you know, we are girls, we are ladies, we are women, and we have so much within us. And we just have to realize that potential and make the most of every endeavor. So irrespective of whether you're in relation, whether you're at work, whether it's, love with your family, you can be just the best at every single thing. And that is the beauty of, being a girl, a woman of substance. So this is what I enjoy doing with them. And then on the jury seat, people have such high hopes from me that, okay, I'm the one, will make them feel very comfortable whenever I'm the jury seat. So I think it's absolutely brilliant. And my questions are very soul felt, not just heartfelt, because I always believe in being soulful. And this is what I just love it. So, when I tell people, ask contestants the question, they like absolutely taken aback because they are simple at the same time, very soulful. And I just enjoy that bit, especially at the India Fest in USA, where I was the jury. We had all the rest of the jury from the states itself, from the United States, different states. And I was the only one from India who was invited, thanks to Kiran Patel sir and Bharat Guradia ji, who invited me from India. And because I'm the only one who had participated in competitions, I've never performed on stage yet. I've been the cultural ambassador, but I've never performed on stage. So in October, I already have an invite from USA again for the Puja, to go there. So it depends on if you're allowed to travel. So today I was supposed to be in the United States. Last year was the Grand Marshal at San Francisco. I was invited already to be the Grand Marshal at USA for today's day, but we were not allowed to travel. And that is why I couldn't travel. And that is the reason I even mentioned to you some time back that I'm not sure about this week because I might be in state. But this is the beauty of it. I think jury is very, very special. But I think I still have so much more to do that jury will always come later. So if given a choice, I always feel that jury can come later. But now what I'm doing, my films and my music albums is more needs me because irrespective of age, you can always be, invited as a jury at any age, any point of time in your life. So I feel I focus on the other aspects right now. That is the reason.
Be the best and beat the best. Be the best and beat the best. Go, grow, and glow is what Simran is known as. And Simran, I tell you, people are watching you, and those who are going to be watching later, they're going to be learning from your experience, sharing. And it is going to be that they will look at you as a role model and take their life forward. Some of the things which you shared is going to be probably giving some roadmap to success to the people to watch and to catch up with their lives. Let me go to Varsha. Varsha, you have a quick question because we need to close with Papani and then vote of thanks. So let's quickly, because I really appreciate you are giving time, Simran. Yeah, Varsha.
No, I'm thankful to you all. Thank you so much. Yes, please go ahead.
या सिमरन जी, अब मैं आपसे आपके दूसरे व्यक्तित्व के बारे में बात करना चाहूंगी। आपने जो सतत 16 नवरात्रि गरबा की उपाधि जो दुनिया भर में जीत ली है, इसके साथ आप एक शानदार नृत्यांगना भी हैं और अपने भारत का बहुत ही जीवंत त्योहार का जिक्र आपने अपनी किताब 9 नाइट्स में किया, जिसका अनावरण श्रीमती अनिंदाबेन गुजरात सीएम के कर कमलों द्वारा हुआ। बहुत खूब सिमरन जी। अब मेरी आपसे गुजारिश है कि आप अपनी इस असीम खूबी के बारे में हमारे दर्शकों को बताएं।
ये तो बिल्कुल अद्भुत है। मतलब मुझे भी अजीब लगता है क्योंकि जैसे कि मैंने कहा, डांस तो बिल्कुल अलाउ था घर में। और जब मैं पहली बार जब इनवाइट आया था, मुझे सिर्फ वो इनवाइट आया था, तो मैं तो ऐसे ही जीन और टी शर्ट पहन के गई थी नवरात्रि के लिए, क्योंकि हमारे घर में तो नाइट्स आउट तो लाउड ही नहीं, और रात को ही होती है नवरात्रि की जो सेलिब्रेशन होती है। तो सब जगह मम्मी चलते थे साथ में, तो मम्मी चले हमारे साथ। वो इनवाइट था क्योंकि मैंने उनको हेल्प किया था उनका ब्रोशर बनाने में। सो 2019 में मैंने उनका ब्रोशर बनाया था लैपटॉप के साथ, तो वो उन्हें बहुत पसंद आया था। उन्होंने कहा कि आप हमारे एक बार फंक्शन में आके देखो। तो मैंने कहा ठीक है। तो वो निर्मल लाइफस्टाइल्स का मैंने ब्रोशर बनाया था। तो मैं जब वहां पे गई तो मेरी एक पहचान में, मतलब मैं उन्हें नहीं जानती थी पर वो मुझे जानती थी, तो वो मिल गई। कहा हाय हाय, आ जाओ हमारे साथ नाचते हैं। मैंने कहा ठीक है। तो मैं उनके साथ नाच ही रही थी। तो मुझे आता नहीं था, मुझे कुछ भी नहीं पता गरबा के बारे में, पर वो इतना मुझे रिदमिक लगा, इतना सिंपल लगा मुझे वो, क्योंकि इट इज द बीट, राइट? इट इज द 8 बीट, 12 बीट, 16 बीट्स। तो वो बीट और वो रिपीट करते हैं और उसी में वो चेंजेस होती हैं ज्यादा, एंड देन 2 सर्कल्स होते हैं, या वो 2 सर्कल्स के बजाय आप फास्ट करते हैं तो 3 सर्कल्स या 4 सर्कल्स। तो मुझे इतना मजा आ रहा था वो करने में, तो मैं वो सीख भी रही थी और नाच भी रही थी और मैं हंस रही थी, मतलब मुझे पता नहीं था, आई वाज जस्ट डूइंग इट। और उनका ब्रेक होता है बीच में और फिर जजेस आते हैं, तो वो जजेस आए, उन्होंने कहा, उन्होंने मेरी फ्रेंड को कहा इसको दुपट्टा पहनाओ, यू नो, एंड मस्त रमे छे, उन्होंने उनको कहा। मैंने कहा अरे मैं तो पहली बार नाच रही हूँ। तो उन्होंने मुझे अपना दुपट्टा निकाल के मेरे सिर पर, क्योंकि मेरे बाल हमेशा ऊपर में बांधती थी ना, हमेशा सिंपल रबर बैंड बांधती थी, तो उन्होंने मुझे दुपट्टा पहनाया एंड आई वन द फर्स्ट रनर्स अप प्राइज। तो उन्होंने मुझे कहा स्टेज पे कि अगर मैं घाघरा चोली में होती तो शायद मैं विन करती। मैंने कहा अच्छा, मैंने कहा मैंने तो खुली हवा में खेला, क्योंकि मम्मी कहती है यू नो यू शुड नॉट डांस विद गाइज, यू नो आई बीन ब्रॉट अप दैट वे, लड़कों के साथ नहीं नाचना है, लड़कों के साथ नहीं नाची, मैं लड़कियों के साथ नाची, वेयर नो वन इज टचिंग यू, आप नेचुरल में नाच रहे हैं, देयर इज नो स्मोक, इट्स नॉट लाइक अ डिस्कोथेक, इट्स नेचुरल एनवायरनमेंट, you're dancing in front of the goddess, you know, we have a mandir there, and mujhe itna maza aaya, I sweat it out. I'm like feeling on a beautiful inner beauty, outer beauty, because you're losing weight at the same time you're dancing non-stop for 2 hours and you're just glowing, pink lag rahe ho aap, and you're winning a prize also about that, and sab on the house. मैंने कहा ये क्या मैजिक है। And the next day my friend Neeta Vora is her name, she took me to buy me a 1200 rupees का घाघरा चोली, जो पहन के मैंने 10 दिन सेम घाघरा चोली पहन के I won the Queen of Sankalp, and in 2001 मैं पूरा यूरोप ट्रिप फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट जीती। तो मेरी मम्मी को लगा ये क्या हो रहा है, ये तो मतलब ये भी नहीं जानती है डांस का, ये हो क्या रहा है। और लगभग 8-9 साल से मेरे से पहले मेरी मम्मी अपने घाघरा चोली बनवाती हैं, एंड शी आल्सो विंस एंड शी आल्सो लव्स टू प्ले। सो एडिक्शन सा हो गया है। सो नवरात्रि के 2 महीने पहले से have the best outfits in the world, and you know Google पे भी जब लोग जाते हैं तो they've had paintings of my picture without knowing it's me। फिर मुझे टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया ग्रुप के फोटोग्राफर का फोन आता है, जहांगीर आर्ट गैलरी में तेरा पिक्चर है, ऐसा मुझे कहा मुझे पता ही नहीं है आपकी पेंटिंग है, मतलब मुझे पता है। And that is how we connected, and गरबा का मेरा इस तरह का मेरा प्यार है। I feel I'm Radha dancing with my Krishna, and I just feel that soulful connect. So my mom has told me these 10 days you don't work, you just enjoy your Navratri. So jab Navratri ke 2 mahine pehle my mom and my sister start designing my outfits, and Navratri 10 days, so you know because my clients who are very passionate, they say no we want you, to unko bhi bolti hu subah mein rakhna, subah mein show rakhna, so that I don't miss my Navratri. But this is how the beautiful journey started. Bilkul andaz nahi tha. From there, right from winning bikes to winning diamond rings to trips to Singapore, Thailand, ये सब मैं नवरात्रि में जीती हूँ 18 साल।
बहुत खूब। कभी साथ में मिलेंगे तो साथ में गरबा करेंगे, क्योंकि मैं भी गरबा की
મને
शौकीन
રમવાનું
करती
બધું
हूँ।
આવડે છે, બધું આવડે છે। So मतलब बिल्कुल so it is, and I think जब मैंने French people को सिखाया था as a cultural ambassador at Paris, उनको इतना मजा आया because मुझे इंटरनेशनल ब्लॉक फॉर्म पता है एज द मास्टर ट्रेनर, तो मेरा सिखाने का तरीका बहुत ही इजी होता है, तो उन्हें इतना मजा आया। इट वाज सो अमेजिंग टू सी ऑल द फ्रेंच पीपल, और इवन द गाइस केडिया पहन के आए थे, लड़कियां घाघरा चोली में, सारी हमारी फ्रेंच की लड़कियां, और बिंदी पायल कंगन, उन्हें बहुत अच्छा लगता है तैयारी यू नो करने के लिए। और ओल्डेस्ट कल्चरल सेंटर ऑफ पेरिस, जो 100 इयर्स ओल्ड कल्चरल सेंटर है, वहां पर हमने नवरात्रि सेलिब्रेशन की थी विद द फ्रेंच पीपल। सो बहुत ही स्पेशल नवरात्रि।
थाई लेडीज को भी गरबा सिखाया है, थाई लेडीज को भी गरबा सिखाया है। So we
Yeah,
get even
Thai
girls to
ladies, Sri
wear
Lanka,
the dress. Oh
several
yes.
countries. अच्छा, आप और किसकी बात करें? So it's everywhere. I love to spread that. Yeah, I love to spread that for sure.
Okay, my last question, and let's get Papani to be here. Last question is, now you know this hashtag Women Power, a global movement. Since April 2020, regularly not a single Saturday lost, and 100,000 women by end of 21, 1 million by 2024. And we have already crossed around 700,000 women, 20 chapters in the world, and we are progressively. Kiran Bedi is our first women chapter, ma'am. She is the first women chapter, and then sisters Shivani, Palvi Joshi, Malini Avasti, Pinaz Masani, Shazia Alami, you name, from Bollywood to corporate to media to corporate houses. So IPS officers, IS officers, Indian ambassador in Thailand, so on and so on. So tell us, what is women empowerment for you? Yourself? Second, how will you contribute to make our movement going forward? Last question. And Papri, get ready to be with us. Yes, Papri, hello, Karu.
हाँ,
Get him on the show.
Thank
Yeah.
you. Thank you for this question. And since the past 1 decade, we've been only talking of women empowerment at every platform. I think women are really empowered. And the only thing they need to really, learn their different lessons in how to handle and how to manage everything, on the same platform, and do not have highs and lows somewhere or the other. Because I think as a girl, as a woman, you just have to manage everything at the right time, the right way. And the same time, how can you empower others is by really going ahead and helping others. So I have a lot of girls, who come to me and ask me for suggestions, for help, and to connect them to people. And I think this is the best way you can do. At the same time, you be an inspiration for them, as not as someone who's going to tell them or teach them, but someone who preaches what you do. And I think this is the biggest example. When they see me on their toes, they feel that, oh my God, that this is something that she doesn't have to teach us, but we are learning from her. So I feel very nice when people just come up to me and they say that, just by being with you for 2 hours, we've learned so much from you. Just by listening to my phone calls, if someone is traveling with me in the car, they feel that we like the way you talk to people, and, you even appreciate every single aspect of them. I said yes, because every individual, remember, has some positive in them. And if you nail that positive, you are empowering yourself at first. At the same time, also appreciating the beauty in others, and the others who are looking up to you will also realize that how you should only look at the positive aspect in life, in everyone, and learn from their positives rather than talk about all the other aspects. And, women are all empowered wherever I go in the world, except when you go, of course, I'm talking of urban, except when you go to rural places. And there, of course, कहते हैं ना, सेवा तन मन और धन से करना. जब आप उसी तरह से सेवा करेंगे ना, उनसे प्यार से पेश आएंगे, उन्हें बताएंगे, समझाएंगे. And I think they're the most easy people, who will listen to you instantly. आप कह देंगे और वो सुनते हैं, because they have that innocence in them till date. So I think it's very, very important for all of us to do that, to do our little bit, whatever we can, because we've been blessed, by others as well, and, by everyone. And I think this
in
is
the process, I have been titled as an honorable woman, and we will always take your support whenever we need. Are you committed? Give me your commitment.
Absolutely, 24/7. It's my pleasure. Absolutely.
So
I mean,
nice
very
of you. And
fortunate
now,
because-
yeah. Now I have a surprise. Papri ji, kun Papri sawadee.
सवादिका बख्शी जी, आज सब आप जो भी पैनल पे बैठे हुए हैं, सबको 75th ईयर इंडिपेंडेंस डे की आपको बधाई हो. मेरा जो बैकग्राउंड जो मैंने बनाया है, एक तो इंडिया के इंडिपेंडेंस के लिए है, और दूसरा है सिंड्रेला. She is a Cinderella, means beauty of Sindhis. She's from Sindhi family, right? So Cinderella. So I titled her Cinderella. She's one of the gem of person I ever met. We've been doing this community service, community work, and community this spirituality section, and she's always with me. She's always supports me. She's a wonderful person. I don't know. उसको बोलेंगे एक जब बोलते हैं ना, जो legend जो होता है, जो सब qualities होती हैं.
Absolutely.
She is a versatile person. इन्होंने कहा कि भाई मैंने अभी तक डांस नहीं किया है या एक्टिंग नहीं किया है. She has done. अभी हमारा एक सिंधी छेज रिलीज हुआ है, which is similar to our Garba, and she did the wonderful performance in that one. That's called Chej in Sindhi, and in Gujarati we call it Garba. It's very similar. I don't say similar, it's same thing. It's the same tune, and the way she danced and this one, the whole we can say song was released recently, and I saw numbers of time, and she was the highlight of the song. Wonderful. She did wonderful. So abhi jo every day I see her, she's been working from morning to evening and this thing. So I said, Simran, you don't get tired. She said, I'm not working.
I'm loving. I'm romancing with my destiny.
Yeah, going. And she said, I'm not working. And I say, I hardly work.
Simran, Papani and me, we know each other last 16, 17 years. Indian Association of Thailand was rebuilt by us. He is our Secretary General of Indian Association of Thailand. तो उस दिन जब आप वहां शो पे मिले थाईलैंड में, मैंने कहा आपने कमिटमेंट दी है, तो तभी मैंने आपको पकड़ लिया. And Papani is a darling. He is a darling of our Indian community in Thailand. We do a lot of work together. We do India. In fact, 2 साल से हम थाई स्पोर्ट्स डे नहीं कर पाए, इंडिया थाई स्पोर्ट्स डे. मैं उस तरह से प्लान करूंगा कि एक साइड से इंडिया थाई स्पोर्ट्स डे हो, एक साइड से हमारा इवेंट हो, ताकि दोनों इवेंट के लिए आप हमारे साथ रहे. Am I right, Papani? We are committed.
That's right. Yes.
Committed.
Simran, always, yes.
So kind. I want to say something about Papani, sir.
Yeah.
Bakshi. In my entire beautiful Sindhi community across the world now calls me Cinderella, and I love this name so much that one of the movie I'm doing in Sindhi, they planning to keep the name as Cinderella. So thank you, Papani Thakur, sir. It is such a beautiful name. And every single soul calls me Cinderella now from the community all across the world, and they love it so much. It is very, very close to my heart. And Papani, sir, always meeting you, is such a great privilege. I would just share a small thing which just happened since we're talking of community shows. I just remember this. So Papani sir and Bakshi sir, we had this show with His Holiness Sri Ravi Shankar ji. And, they spoke to me about a week prior to the show, but they were very skeptical, and they, asked for my profile several times. And this is Prakash Hinduja, sir. I'm talking about, sir. Papani Thakur, sir, our legend, living legend, Prakash Hinduja, sir. And somehow they had it in their mind that Simran Ahuja is the one who does only glamorous shows. She's, the one who does Filmfare. And somehow they felt that someone who does Filmfare can't really be comfortable with spiritual shows. So, I was like constantly, trying to make them understand that, no, I'm actually a spiritual person. I actually love spiritual souls. I mean, I enjoy every aspect of it, but I'm actually very, very spiritual, and I just love them to the core. So please give me this one opportunity. So the paintings I have, those 10 paintings, are gifted to me, the entire set by the Hinduja group, by Prakash Hinduja ji. And, then ma'am spoke to me, Prakash Hinduja ji's wife, Kamalji. It was her birthday yesterday as well. Beautiful birthday wishes to you, ma'am. And she spoke to me just one day prior to the show. She's saying, Simran, sorry, we are actually not confident on you because we don't know how will you dress up and how will you speak, because it's a very spiritual show. And we've always seen you on the glamour side. We've seen your show, at Barcelona, because we were there cruising there at the Royal Caribbean. We've only seen your glamour side. I said, ma'am, I don't know if it's a different side, but please allow me to do spirituality, because I am the seed of spirituality, and that is how I'm comfortable with everything. And it is the closest to my heart. And I've been, a spiritual seeker, since the time I was a kid with my family. So, and when they, of course, watched me, I did the show with His Holiness Sri Ravi Shankar ji. They were so confident that Prakash Hinduja sir and ma'am spoke to me about an hour after the show, just talking about that, how comfortable they felt that I was with spiritual shows. I said, no, I'm actually very spiritual. So when Papani Thakur sir, you offered me and you requested me for your Tuesday shows, I said, no, I would love to do that, because I'm just me. I don't have to do anything out of the way. And I love it so much. And I think that's the core. That's the message, more than women empowerment, which has to go to the masses to make every beautiful soul realize that we are all beautiful spiritual souls going through this human experience. And there is so much within us, the way we are enjoying the journey outside in our outer world. Let us enjoy within us. And since the past 1.5 years, we've been within our homes. So why don't we enjoy the journey within as well? Because
कोविड में भी नहीं सीखेंगे तो कब सीखेंगे?
Papani Thakur sir के साथ मेरी जो उन्होंने मुझे जो खूबसूरत नाम दिया है सिंड्रेला, It is very, very close to me. And Bakshi ji, this really means a lot. You and your entire family are doing such commendable work. It is absolutely my honor and my privilege to be with each and every one of you. And I'm sorry I've taken a little extra time from all of you. It is very, very close and amazing to my heart.
Okay.
Anywhere I
Oh.
could be,
Yeah.
not at work, but as Mera Pehla Pyar, I am always there 24/7. Really.
Beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen around the world. So we got Papni Seth also to be part of the show. And I want to close this show. My personal, from heart, a total gratitude to Simran. What she did that show when Arun Bakshi was there, and she said, I am committed to you, Bakshi sir, I will come to your show. And Nitish Sharma said, it is being recorded, it is live, you are saying. And today I am so grateful. Simran, you actually made that possible. Another day on the Thai show, you said, sure, I remember, I have to be there. And now, what that December show of Mumbai chapter when we were launching, and that was an inaugural show, and my two women power, Anshul and Niti were there, and suddenly, it did not work out because she had to rush for that
lighting of the lamp ceremony.
Lighting
So
of
they
the
were
lamp, I remember.
show to get over so that we could go and light the lamp.
Then I spoke to
on
Arun Bakshi. Then Arun came on my show for DNA of Leadership. Anyhow, in order to close, so I thought it's very important for me to get those two wonderful ladies who are part of this Women Power Mumbai chapter heads to close this formally, give their vote of thanks. And Papni said, again, Kapun Magna Kapun Kham for you. Be there till we have another show. Be there for next 5 minutes. They are closing. And Anshul and Niti, please offer vote of thanks.
Definitely. Hi, Simran. Good evening.
Anshul, excited seeing you. And
Same here, same here.
Soulful hello to both of you.
Yeah, so like as it is said, when you want something, the entire universe conspires in helping you to achieve it. And yes, today we have achieved it completely. That Simran gave us, the ample time to be on our show.
It is the universe who supports.
Yes, yes.
ये आपके लिए अभी वही शेर बोलना चाहूंगी कि उसको संगमरमर से तराशा हुआ शफ़ाक़ बदन, वो संगमरमर से तराशा हुआ शफ़ाक़ बदन, देखने वाले उसको सिमरन आहूजा कहते हैं.
Wow.
Absolutely, absolutely. और एक चीज मैं सभी को बताना चाहूंगी. See, whatever Simran says here on this show, some people may not trust it. They may feel that because it's their show, they are talking, and but let me tell you guys, whatever she has shared with us, she's much more than what she has shared on the show, or whatever is there on the Google. If you go to see about Simran, I have seen totally a different side of Simran also. Simran, please allow me, which we never shared whenever we met, but yes, I would like to, commit on the records on this show. That during one of the, shows, if you remember, Simran, it was in Tikujini Wadi in Panvel, INFID ka show tha, and it was midnight, around 2 o'clock. And we were, coming out of the show, and she was carrying her daughter in her lap. So this is what Simran is. She's not only the glamorous, she is a, so humble person and professional. Apart from that, she's a very, very, loving mother also. So this part is never and nowhere covered, neither on the Google or and not at any other show. And we have got so many connects. And as Honorable Governor of Maharashtra says, that she is part of every show. Trust me, guys, she's actually part of every show here happening in Mumbai, Navi Mumbai. We are connected through so many people. Simran Sanjeev Kumar ji, Zafar, Vijay Shukla sir, and so many other people. So all these names, all the events happening in Navi Mumbai, she make sure that she's there. And the way she has committed even to this show, Women Empowerment Show, wherein, yes, we started with her because I find her so inspirational that be it any program, not only the cultural programs, but even in the corporate programs, I have seen her different face. Like even in Bombay Management Association's program, the way she conducts, the show, it is
तभी
totally.
तो मैंने बोला कंबोडिया एजुकेशन एक्सीलेंस कॉन्फ्रेंस में लूंगा इनको एमसी.
Sir, now she is part of all our shows. I'm telling you. और मुंबई में जब भी women power का show होगा, Simran is going to host that.
Wow, done with you. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Anything else you want to say? We have to go to another show starting at 5:30. And I would in fact, you are coming to Delhi. You know I'm in Delhi. So 21st we are meeting for a lunch or a dinner. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Sure. And I'm going to invite you for my shows as well. So
Yeah, maybe I will be there. Yes, why not? Okay. Anything else for Anshul and Niti close?
Yeah, so like, yes, from my side, definitely Simran now is part of our show. And whenever, wherever she's committed to our this movement, also global movement, which is having presence in more than 20 countries. And trust me, guys, the way we are going, the way we are empowering each other, it is going to go to a next level. So I'm really thankful to Dr. Bakshi for having this movement and having we be part of all these activities. So thank you so much. And yeah, Nidhi, you're just switch on your
your kind word means a lot, Anshul. Thank you so much. Yes, Nidhi.
ऊपर इवेंट है. I was busy with that. I came down. मेरे को यहाँ नेटवर्क मिला. I came down here. देखिए मैं लिफ्ट के पास खड़ी हूँ बिल्कुल. And I cannot miss Simran to see once again. So thank you so much, Simran ji. आपने हमें बहुत अपना कीमती समय दिया और ऐसे ही जुड़ी रहिएगा. #Women Power Global Movement of Women Power हमारा जो चल रहा है, ऐसे ही जुड़े रहिए. और सबको फिर से एक बार इंडिपेंडेंस डे की बहुत बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं, दिल से शुभकामनाएं.
Vande Mataram. And ladies and gentlemen around the world, whosoever has joined and whosoever is going to be watching, this is a classic show of someone who is known as Simran. Simran Cinderella Papni Thakur.
Cinderella. Yes, Cinderella.
What a beautiful backdrop Papni Thakur has. My eyes are
so powerful. And I can say Simran is simply intelligent, motivated, rich, attitude, naturally. I repeat. Simran is simply intelligent, motivated, rich, attitude, naturally. That is what respect we can give to Simran.
beautiful. That's a lovely, lovely abbreviation that you have of Simran. Such an honor to everyone here. I feel I have my entire world here. Thank you, Anshul, Niti, Varshaji, yourself. Extremely magnificent women. And Papni Thakur sir, my eyes are just drawn to your background. That's so beautiful. I mean, the font looks so beautiful because you're so soulful always. And I'm very happy to go to your temple on the 25th of this month. And DK Bakshi sir, right from the beginning, the way you've spoken, every single word was from deep within your heart and it touched my soul. I'm always there 24/7, just one word away, a message, and I will always be there. Humble thanks to each.
And today you're giving 1.5 hours.
Doesn't matter. It's okay. It's so much of love. Where there's love, there is no need to see the time.
And there's love, there's no need to see the time. Wow, that's beautiful. Okay, we sign off and go to the another program. Papni sir, thank you so much.
Thank you everyone. Thank you Simran, and let's stay connected and meet very soon.
अंशुल दूसरे शो में आ जाओ. अंशुल और निधि दूसरे शो में आ जाओ. अभी 5:30 शुरू हो रहा है. Okay, bye bye. Bye bye Simran.